I know it's weird to talk about being a nice girl, on comparison at the bad boy, but I want to do this video because there is 5 behaviors that I want you to stop right now. 5 behaviors that makes you a nice girl, and so men will start to not care about you, not give you interest. I'm not saying it's good. I'm not saying they're right, but I'm just telling you, hey, if you see one of those 5 behaviors, try something different. Try something that will empower you. Try something that will make you feel better. Because at the end of the day, that's how we can get some results. So, I don't like to talk about not being a nice girl because I want everyone to be nice. But unfortunately, sometimes, there is a lot of men, they will take you for granted. And if we come back to the human nature, we know that men, they love to chase, right? They love to find a woman that will be kind of a challenge, inaccessible. If you are this woman that is on a pedestal, they all have only eyes on you, right? They want to be with you. They want to cherish you. They want to give you love, give you attention. So if you continue to be a nice girl, unfortunately, you're going on the opposite side. And if you follow Walt Disney, if you follow Hollywood, if you follow the advice from your grandma, they will all tell you, be a nice girl. And you will have this prince, this charming prince that will come to your door. That's never happened in real life, okay? So I need to tell you exactly what are the behaviors from a nice girl. So if you come to me and you tell me, Alex, I love to take care of him before I take care of myself. No way! That is over, ladies. Of course, it's good to take care of a guy when and only when it takes care of you. If you come to me and say, look, this guy is doing a lot for me. This guy is taking care of me. This guy is understanding my emotions. Of course, we can take care of him. But if this guy is just sitting on the couch, waiting for you to cook, clean, and give him what he wants when he wants, look, ladies, this is just not love, and you're losing yourself. So, you should never take care of him if he does nothing for you. Situation number 2 of a nice girl. It's when you will send a text message and you will organize everything. Let's say that you need to meet on the weekend. You're the one pushing. When are you available? What is a good time for you? What would you like to do? Let me do it for you. It's nice to do it once in a while. But most of the time, we want a 50-50 relationship. And I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about someone that will also really much invest in you. That will try to surprise you, that will make some efforts, that will take initiatives, because that's how we can feel much more empowered. So you will stop being a nice girl and you will be very, very positive. Situation number 3 that I've seen so much in coaching, and that's when I want to shake you. I want to tell you what is going wrong with you. It's when you will tell me, Alex, it's my fault. And your explanation makes no sense. He cheated on me, it's my fault because I always push him away when he wanted to do a threesome. What? No, it's not your fault. This guy is crazy. Or when you would tell me, Alex, it's my fault because he wants to go out with his friend, but I say no on Saturday because he went out with his friend from Monday to Friday. No, it's not your fault. So in other words, the nice girl will always blame herself when other people are just disrespecting her. And it's just not always in your love life. So it's good to make sure that you face yourself in the mirror. I do it myself. When I do something wrong, when I know that I can improve, when I want to reflect on my life, I will look at what I can do differently. But I will never take full responsibility if it's not my fault. I will never take full responsibility if I feel that someone is taking advantage of me. So don't try to always blame yourself, please. That is situation number 3. Situation number 4, it's when you will ask question. Why are you doing this to me? When you see a guy talking to other women, when you see a guy having sex with you and not giving you any news for the next 3 weeks, if you go after him and say, why are you doing this to me? You are showing that you're a nice girl because you're giving him the control. You are waiting for him to explain to you why is he an asshole. He will never do that. He will always try to find an excuse and blame you. Remember the previous one? Stop blaming yourself when they don't act the right way. So situation number 4 from a nice girl, you always want to ask questions and find a solution. But how can you find a solution with a narcissist? How can you find a solution with a man that is trying to manipulate you? How can you find solution with a man that is just trying to have sex with you, but not to commit to the relationship? If you think that, you can have like a real conversation, I always try to talk to your subconscious mind. And in coaching, I will tell you, do you believe in Santa? You will tell me no. So don't ask the question. Don't believe a man's word. Because if you're a nice girl, they will try to avoid their responsibilities. And unfortunately, that's not good for you. The last behavior that I've seen so much, I never want you again to say as you like. When he wants to see you, what do you want to do? As you like. Because you will try to make it easier for him and not for you. So I know it's weird, but you need to learn to receive. You need to learn to challenge a guy. And for me, you need to relearn your love education. And there's a good news because I wrote a bestseller in France that I translated for free for you in the US or in the English-speaking world. So ladies, right now you just have to go in the description box below. You will have access to my free bestseller to reprogram your mind. I will offer you some videos about the male psychology. But being a nice girl is what everything told you about. You need to be this person. You need to be nice. You need to be gentle. And at the end of the day, you're just giving way too much. So my goal as a coach is to tell you that we can change the dynamic and we can recreate some attraction. How can we do that? By learning how to change your mindset. In the description, I have so many resources. By being your coach as well. Because right now, you are all a queen. You're a queen. You need to stop finding excuses for their behaviors. You need to stop trying to understand a guy that is someone that is hot and cold. Is saying one thing, doing another thing. We are not in a world we are not in a fairy tale. Okay? What I want you to create right now is that men wants you to be a challenge. Men wants to chase you. Men wants to put you on a pedestal. And this is what, if you like this, if you want to learn about it, just subscribe to this channel. I will make so many videos that will make your life easier. And myself, I will see you very soon for a new video. Bye, ladies.